6:05, supporting victims of sexual or domestic violence. Officials just releasing new resources for health workers to help them better support women impacted by violence. Aisha is at the First Alert Safety Desk.
Good morning, Tammy. This is brand new today. The World Health Organization just releasing what it calls an online learning platform. It's designed to help health workers and advocates identify and support survivors. The online course, it's free with 6 interactive sections. WHO says health workers are often the first, sometimes only point of contact for the millions of women and girls who experience violence. It believes when health workers have the best tools available, they're better able to provide important life-saving care and support to a survivor. The online program, it has reading materials, exercises and case studies. Here in Wisconsin, the numbers are the same as the global impact. The World Health Organization says almost 1 in 3 women are subjected to violence. It hopes these tools help make a difference to prevent that from happening in the first place. Coming up in the next half hour, screen time can impact our cognitive function, especially our ability to focus. I'll talk about the latest research, Tammy.